Hello everyone, welcome to Oliveboard. My name is Dinkar and I welcome each and every one of you. So there is an update from the RBI regarding the extension of the date for the filling of the application form. Earlier the last date was May 9. Earlier the starting date was May 9 and it was ending at June 9th. Okay, but now the dates have been extended till June 16. Okay, earlier the last date was June 9th and now the last date is June 16. So now up to June 16, 2023, all of you can fill the form, but make sure that you fill it at the earliest, because do not wait for the last moment, because during that time there is a lot of hustle that has happened. Sometimes website is down and there is a lot of technical issues that can come. So make sure that you fill the form before the 16th of June and make yourself free and prepare for the examination. So June 16, 2023 is the last date of filling the application form for the RBI Grade B Direct Recruitment Examination. And there is another update is that the board has decided to offer option of center change. Okay, now they have said that you can do the center change for the candidate who have opted for Imphal in Manipur as their center for phase 1 examination. Okay, so such candidates who wanted to change their center, now they can change their center to following center, that Aizawl, Kohima, Shillong, Jorhat, Guwahati, Kolkata or Delhi. Okay, so those people who have opted for the center Imphal in Manipur, so because of the violence and everything that has happened over there, so now you can change your center to any of these 7 locations: Aizawl, Kohima, Shillong, Jorhat, Guwahati, Kolkata and Delhi, looking at the security situations over there. So please fill the form before the 16th of June and save yourself from the last date hustles. Now we have especially launched the express revision batch. Especially this is a 1 month batch. ये 1 month का बैच है. This is the express revision batch. 4 weeks we will be taking yours. 1000 MCQs we will be discussing, 50 live classes will be happening and downloadable general awareness will be there, especially for phase 1 examination. Target RBI Grade B express revision batch. In 1 month you will be covering all the syllabus of the phase 1 examination with 1000 plus MCQs, 50 plus live classes and downloadable GA. So do not waste your time, fill the form at the earliest and do join our express revision batch and you can feel the difference. Thank you.